This is the Aura Carver digital picture frame. I've had a few different picture frames over the years. This is by far the best one we've ever actually used or had. This frame itself is a solid piece of material, which means there's no stands or clips that can break off. This is the gravel color. There's sort of a dark gray, but it comes in other colors. It's Wi-Fi, so it does need to be plugged in, and it uses a medium-sized power block. It's really easy to set up. You just download the app, set up an account, and the frame, and you kind of start adding photos from your phone, literally in a matter of minutes. You can also send it to someone with a gift code from the outside of the box. So that way, what you can do is you can get that gift code, you can turn on your app, you can add photos to the app, and then send the photo frame to someone else without even opening it. They go ahead and open it up, they plug it in, and when they plug in their photo frame, instantly they'll start getting photos that you've already set up for them. It's a perfect for gift for grandparents or for people who are not proficient with technology. Anywhere, it'll work anywhere in the world as long as you have someplace that has Wi-Fi. You can easily invite other people to add photos to a frame. It's all app-based. You use smartphones. So if you have other families or everybody in your family wants to send photos to Grammy and Grandpa's photo frame, you can do that. There's no limit to the number of people that you can add to the app who can add photos, and there's no limit to the number of photos you can actually have on a frame. All the photos are actually stored for security purposes on Amazon servers that are in the United States. There's no subscription costs for anything ever. The apps itself, if the app is free itself, everything is free and it's secure and it works forever. So that's great. It's really easy to use and the images really look amazing. If you've ever used a photo frame before in the past and you haven't seen one lately, they are incredible. This is a very sharp, very clear photo. It really is pretty nice. It plays live photos from your iPhone, so your iPhone takes these live photos. You can do those. It'll also play videos and even has a little speaker built in. This is the Carver model, so it's meant for landscape display only, but it has this cool feature called photo match. So on a lot of photo frames, when you show a portrait photo on a landscape frame, it just shows one photo and two black bars on the side. With photo match, the Carver frame will try to find photos that are similar or similar topics, and they'll put them side by side. So your photo frame will either show one landscape photo or two portrait photos, and you can turn that on or off if you don't want it. The free app is easy to use. It works on iOS or Android devices. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's lots of settings and lots of features in there, and there's no reason why they couldn't upgrade it further. This Carver frame has some features that are not well documented, almost like hidden functions. If you tap the top of the frame, it'll just give you a little bit of information about the photo and who put it on the frame. If you hold down on the frame for a second or so, a little menu will pop up that will allow you to either remove the photo or turn off the picture frame. You just move your finger back and forth. And then if you double tap real quickly on the frame, you'll send a little love notice, a little heart will fly across the picture, and the person who put the photo on the frame will get a notification saying that you liked it. Overall, this is one of the best photo frames we've ever had. Everything is free. The picture quality is amazing. The app is easy to use. This is a highly recommended digital photo frame, and this is the one that we now recommend people give to their family and friends.